Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of moon. The Earth's natural satellite, visible primarily at night from the reflected sunlight of the sun. For example, there was no moon, but a sky sparkling with brilliant stars. American pronunciation. Moon. Moon. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Moon. Say. Moon. Moon means natural satellite of the Earth. Moon. Moon. Moon origin. Old English mona of Germanic origin, related to Dutch maan and German mond, also to month, from an Indo-European root that Latin mensis, Greek men, and Latin mediare, both, to measure time, share. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Now, repeat after me. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. The second practice. Eclipses of the sun and the moon occur every 6 months. Now, repeat after me. Eclipses of the sun and the moon occur every 6 months. Visual representation of moon. Moon means the Earth's natural satellite, visible primarily at night from the reflected sunlight of the sun.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.